product package is the product's face, and it directly speaks to its consumers. PS Polypack Sandivian Berhad is an ambitious and emerging packaging manufacturing company with a difference. We specialize in the production of liquid pouches.
Since establishment, PS Polypack has put very clear direction in terms of our vision. We have set our position to become the market leader, especially in the liquid pouches. Our product success lies in packaging.
Since our inception in 2010, we have come a long way, starting from PE-blown film production to becoming leaders in flexible package manufacturing in Malaysia. PS Polypack has state-of-the-art flexible converting facilities that puts quality and cost-effectiveness together. Catering to various industries like pharmaceuticals, food and beverages, household items, and personal care products. Our technologically advanced machinery starts from in-house. We have both solvent-based laminating and solvent-less laminating machines that laminates approximately 400 meters per minute. A wide range of materials is used in our flexible packaging based on our clients' needs, including nylon film, aluminum foil, polyester and metallized polyester, PE resin and PP resin, and paper lamination. We believe that success of a product lies in its packaging. Therefore, we provide the best packaging solutions, from developing prototypes up to package finished products to our customers, enabling them to be more competitive in their respective markets. It is advanced, more reliable and cost-effective, making it in demand across the globe, especially in the emerging Asian market, where its growth rate is expected to increase up to 20% in the next 8 years. We also could cater for retort and non-retortable pouches. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of PS Polypack. We provide our clients with an array of packaging types and various packaging material structure, which suits the client's respective product characteristics to ensure the products are protected and preserved through the entire product shelf life. Our service is nothing but the best in product packaging, a qualified staff and suppliers. This makes us proud. We produce our own multi-layered lamination PE film necessary for all laminated products, and able to customize various types and shapes, such as 3-side seal, 4-side seal, flat bottom, oil bag, shopping bag, and stand-up pouch. Our unrivaled quality has brought us renowned clients like Unilever and also growing SME companies in Malaysia. PS Polypack is awarded and accredited with CASTEM and the top 100 fast-moving SME companies in Southeast Asia. With innovative packaging that our parent company develops, we believe that enhancing modern lifestyle is the way forward. And with that vision, we have started PS Food and Beverage in 2014. With a team of experts, We undertake extensive research and development on the products. Our qualified chemists and nutritionists with years of experience in their respective fields develop formulations that are both tasty and nutritious. We have established a foolproof mechanism for quality assurance and control, which primarily manufactures ready-to-drink beverages ranging from juices, tea drinks, and dairy-based products. We are the pioneering company who introduced dairy in pouches in Malaysia, and what sets us apart is the uniqueness and nutrition value of our products. We source the best ingredients locally and abroad to create natural and healthy products. Origina brand is a unique blend of 100% natural fruit concentrates and tea with fruit juices. With strict adherence to quality and safety, our dairy-based products undergo sterilization by retort process, which helps to extend dairy products' shelf life up to 24 months without any added preservative. And in compliance with the Food Safety Management System, we cherish our values of consumer satisfaction and believe that they have the choice to pick what is best for them. The refreshing taste of our beverages is unmatched. We provide the purest juices and blends, and eventually make our brand known in the global arena. We have successfully set foothold in Malaysia, Singapore, China, Vietnam, Thailand, and we are looking to expand our market presence. PS Food and Beverage is awarded and accredited with We are GMP, U.S. Food Drug Administration certified, HACCP, and all of our products are halal certified by Chakim Malaysia. Continually raising our standards for the market demand, progressing for a sustainable future in a vision to provide tasty, clean, and healthy products to the food and beverage industry.